The next coughing technique I'm going to instruct my patient about is a lateral Costal coughing technique. So essentially I'm going to place my hands at the bottom of the ribs here, and I'm going to apply a down and in force to that area. I'm going to have you breathe in, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and then when I say cough, you're going to breathe out to the side, okay? Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, so getting this position, go ahead and breathe in, and cough.